you doing? My name is Aquarius, and I share content that's going to help enrich your confidence and improve the quality of your relationships. Now, I've been talking about a product line that I stand by that has been helping me with this process, which is Shea Moisture. One of the products here is called the African Black Soap Clarifying Facial Mask, which has one of my favorite ingredients that I stand by, which is tea tree oil, which provides a lot of benefits and minerals for your face as well as for your hair, for bringing forth restoration and helping to reprove the blemishes on your face. Okay, now the best thing about this product is the smell, man. I'm telling you, this product smells wonderful. It just gives a rejuvenating, refreshing look, as well as just the smell itself just makes you cultivated to put it on your face. And just adding a small layer, you just add it into a circular motion. You know, this product isn't greasy, at least in my opinion. It doesn't cake up in your face all dry. You know, and again, it's just depending on your face texture. But even with you utilizing this product, you know, the most important thing that I do talk about in all my other videos is what you do to your body internally, meaning that, you know, you refrain from any type of sugars, you know, try to drink plenty of water, you know, get plenty of sleep, and also refraining from any type of fried foods or processed foods if you can possibly avoid it. Just because, again, these products, you know, again, it does help improve your chances of good skin. But if you're not doing the internal work, making sure that you have a good balanced diet, eating foods in its natural form, these products will not do you as much justice. You know, and like I said, you know, I do enjoy this particular product, because it does smell good, and I think black soap is just a great way to help, you know, get rid of the blemishes and acne on your face. This product has not disappointed me so far, and this is a product that you can utilize daily. So, you know, it's just very simply, once you massage it into your face, it does this magic. You just let it marinate, let it sit into your face about 5 to 10 minutes, and then as you're gonna see here, it's, you know, it pretty much, you know, works as magic. You know, you feel the cleansing in your face. After you get a chance to, you know, let it sit in for about 5 to 10 minutes, all you just simply do is rinse your face off with lukewarm water with a dry towel, just to get the residue of the black, you know, soap off your face. All right. And it's just pretty much, you know, that's it. Now, depending on, you know, where you live at, you know, or the reaction that it causes on your face. Some people, it may, you know, create a dryness reaction, or if the water's hard and your face gets really dry. I always like to, you know, mix it up with a moisturizer, which is Aloe Vera gel, which I think is the best moisturizer for your face to help bring out a shine and help bring forth that youthful restoration into your face. The one thing about Aloe Vera gel is that the fact that it does help with blemishes as well. It does restore your blood cells into your face, and as well as it heals dead skin into your face as well. So this is a great product, you know, to help with uneven skin tones and just bring forth youthfulness into your face as well. Okay. Now, you know, I really do like this product, man. I definitely stand by it. I think it's a great product. So, you know, I just wanted to just give you guys just one of my recommendations amongst many products that I utilize on this channel. So just, if you like this product, you like, you know, the experience, or you've been standing on, you know, or kind of wondering if it's worth it, definitely check it out and tell me in the comments below how it's been working for you if you haven't already done so. And definitely like this video. If you like, you know, content like this, I'll definitely be making sure to give you other related content, and as well as checking my other videos as well on products that I've been doing in my process with my hair as well as with my face. And again, thank you for tuning in. My name is Aquarius, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.